G'day, and as usual I've just got back from the post office and we'll open up I know what's in here, and anybody that's been watching will bloody have a fair idea. They're the headlights for the Tri-ang Scalextric MMC 61 Porsche. And I'm really happy to see these because they disappeared off the tracking for 21 days. That's really good, because nobody else had them, and there is a brand new slot guide for the Cooper, the C88 Cooper. I haven't given up on that yet, but I still haven't fully committed. I need a race tuned engine, so that's a big problem, because I missed out on race tuned. There were some race tuned engines, but I needed the money for the Porsche, so I missed out on them, and nobody's listed one since, and there's none. I can't find any on the internet. The only place I'll be able to get one maybe is through eBay, which that's really stuck in there. Now this one hasn't come far at all. This is from Victoria, in the same state I'm in. But it's something I need for some other slot car. Mirrors. Oh, I didn't realise it was multiples. I thought I was getting one pack. So these suit the C139 Parmalat Brabham BT49. I thought I was just getting one pair, but that's excellent. Some spares, that's good. But I really want, these mirrors actually aren't for the C138 Saudi Leyland Williams FW07B. They're a different mirror completely, but I only had one of these, so I needed a pair. I bought some reproductions, but the repos just aren't quite the same. Pretty sure these are genuine Scalextric. But yeah, the Saudi Leyland Williams mirrors are different. They're completely different, but that's really good. And that's what I got, and I'll see you in the next video.